Look, and I was at grammar school last week.
Yeah.
Let's face it, it's a good school. It's
Right.
like a resort, right? And I thought, oh, look, it is. Anyway,
like a
I did
resort.
4 days there, and I'm really glad I did 4 days because you become seen every day. You become a bit regular. It's not like you just sort of were there and then gone.
Yeah.
And I'd have classes, junior to middle classes coming up to me, that I'd never seen before, and they'd be waiting outside the room, and I'd come up and I'd think, okay, all my experience now tells me instead of saying, "Righto, you're 8, can I have 2 straight lines, please? Can I have blah, blah," I just walk up and say, "Good morning. Got a lot of great things to show you today." And they'd go, "Huh?" And I go, "Tim Cook, it's an Apple special event. Tell me you've seen an Apple special event. You're holding a MacBook. Surely you've seen it." And they're going, "What?" And so before they've even had a chance to think about what they might or might not do, I've just taken them away on this journey.
Yeah, wow.
And then I say, "Look, we can talk about it later. I tell you what, how about we go inside? The air conditioning's on in there. It's nice in there." And so before they've even had a chance to think about, is this a substitute teacher? Should I misbehave? Should I behave? What am I supposed to do? What's our work for today? Where's my normal teacher? I'm not thinking about any of those things because this guy's just taken me off on this journey of, okay, I'm not sure whether that's interesting or not, but it
sounds interesting. It's different. Yeah. Yeah, wow.
I think we'll start with that.